Welcome to Virgin Voyages. This is our room. You need your scanner in order to get in the room. You got to scan the key like that. And then here we go. Wow, this is amazing. So this is our room. This is where we keep our luggage. They've already put it in for us. And let's see what this is. Oh, this is our bathroom. It's a cute little bathroom. Let's see. It's nice and big for all of us. And nice size shower, rain shower. Very nice. If you're interested in learning how to cruise the Virgin Voyages, just contact me, Andrea, at Vacation Advertiser. Here we go. This is nice. Wow. If you want to buy that, I think that's an opener for a bottle opener. And everything is so nice and quaint. We have 2 chairs. Actually, 1 chair. There's one up on the deck. And a little desk. If you want to order anything, you can order with your iPad that's provided. And your water. And of course on your phone. Very nice. Beautiful pictures. Now, this is a room, it's set up for 1, but at least 3 people can stay in here. What they'll do is they'll turn the bed they'll move the bed so that it can accommodate at least 3 people. Okay, watch this before you sail. Our muster station is E6. This is nice. Here we go. Very nice. And once we're going to the deck, we have a lovely view of Miami right now. So let's see if we can open the door. And see. Oh, we have an amazing view. And our hammock. It's a beautiful hammock. I'll be spending a lot of time on that hammock. So, a wonderful view of the city of Miami. Look at that. I love our view. We'll be living on the Virgin Voyages for the next 5 days. I'm super excited. Once again, if you're interested in booking a cruise, contact me, Andrea, at Vacation Advertiser, and I will get you the best quote possible to sail on the Virgin Voyages.
That which is the control of the lights, even the temperature, and even the curtain. You can open and close the curtain from the tablets.
Amazing. That's easy. I can do that. Okay.
Alright. And then if you swipe up, we have selection of the moods in here. You can play with the moods later. You have get it on.
Curtain closes again.
And the music comes on.
The music comes on.
This is amazing. Look at this.
Oh, the music is on. Okay.
Alright. And then we have hangover moods in here.
Hangover.
Hangover.
Uh-oh.
And we have pump up.
Pumped up.
Pump up.
Okay.
Alright.
Wake everybody up.
And then we will move to the next selection. We have entertainments. We have selection of the movies and channel you may watch later.
Are these up-to-date movies or older movies? Or?
The new one also.
Oh.
We have the new and then old movie. We have selection of the movie.
Nice.
And then all the channel also. We have ESPN, Fox, MSBC, BBC.
BBC. Okay.
Yeah, BBC.
Yeah.
And then the third option is services. The
Yeah.
services will be able once you finish with the drill.
Oh, okay.
And then after that, the service will be appear. For example, if you like to refill ice, fresh water, and then clean cabin, laundry pickup, just click on it. It will go to our app.
What?
And we will deliver to your room.
Oh, we need water. You have BT on there? VET, probably not.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Okay. Okay.
All right. And that's it.
That's it.
That's perfect.
Well,
That's
thank
perfect.
you, Weedy
Thank you
and
so
War. We
much.
appreciate you giving us our tour of the app.
Yes.
Yes,
And
computers.
last but not least, we have two indicators right here. So if you press the red light, it's gonna be do not disturb sign, and the blue light if when you are ready to have your cabin to be clean.
Okay.
However, this is very sensitive. If you touch it by mistake, we are not able to enter your room.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.